Alright, so today I'll be teaching you guys standard deviation, and it's the best way to have these pixel perfect exits and actually just kind of predict where price is trying to go to. Keep in mind, this is not a one size fits all method. It's not going to always work, of course, and it's not the only thing you should be using to figure out where to place your profits and stuff. So let me real quick go to the charts and let me show you something. So first of all, if this is like a trade I took, if you don't have a very like clear drawn liquidity, right? Like here, we had kind of like a clear draw. If you don't have this, the standard deviation might be what's like useful for you, right? So, first of all, look at this. Let's say you entered a short right over here, right? We kind of took out these highs, and you know what I'm saying? Like you kind of have to like look for like a confluence with this, like kind of like a higher time confluence. Yeah, so look, let's say we had this, right? There's like other stuff over here, like the order block right there, that's kind of telling us to go short. What you do is you take your Fibonacci retracement and you take it from the swing high all the way to the swing low of like the previous move, right? It's like, so there's like this like set of up close candles, place it down and copy these numbers. Now if we look at this, these numbers, you kind of have to target -2 or -2.5. -4 is usually the max it would go to, right? So look, -2, 2.5, we kind of hit it and it started moving away from it. -4, exactly, we touched it and we started moving away fully. We changed directions, right? And we kind of, if we could have matched this up with like this higher time frame, like what's called like order blocks, right? There's like order blocks right here. Not higher time frame because we're on a 1 minute. What am I even yapping about? But look, you could have matched it with that. So now over here in itself, you can find yourself an entry model to go long, right? Now look at this. If I take my standard deviation, take it from the swing low to that swing high of this this set of movements, look what occurs. At -4, what happens? We start trading downwards. You could have caught this whole move right here, and that's why sometimes I'll be catching like some crazy ass plays and things like that, because it's like I understand this, right? I understand standard deviation. This is like it's algorithmic, right? So let's say I entered a trade, and also you can be using these as like partials as well, right? So usually I would use like maybe 1.5 as a partial if there's like something backing it. So like let's say over here, this would have been a partial because 1.5 kind of matches this swing high right here, right? Or 2, at 2 we kind of have like either this one or this one, but I'll just use this one for example. This could be a partial as well, because look, at 2, closely around 2, we have a swing high that you can kind of use as a take profit, right? So you could have found an entry model right here. There's probably like a 3-minute fair value gap that formed around here. You could have traded the retracement. Actually, let's just see if there is. Yeah, there is a 3-minute fair value gap right there. You could have traded this fair value gap, right? And then over here, there's like a order block right there too. You could have longed off of this. This in itself is a good long model, and there's most likely an SMT here too, I'm assuming, right? I mean, I didn't check the charts over here, but I'm assuming most likely there's an SMT. You could place, oh my goodness, I don't know why it's doing that lately. You could place your stops at that swing low, and then your take profit at that -4, right? This would have been your trade. And of course, you could have also tightened your stops as like we're going up. So like, let's say we take profit 1 right here at -1.5. You could literally move it to break even, risk-free trade, right? So boom, this is a clean trade that you guys could have taken. Yeah. So now let's look at here. I'm not even sure. I'm not even like pre-selecting these, but let's say we hop. Let me see the 1 minute, because I think it works better on the 1 minute. I'm not sure though, so you guys could check that out. But let's say boom, we could take this Fibonacci from the swing high all the way to that swing low right there. Could see what happens. Now we kind of ran through it, but like I said, it doesn't like it doesn't work 100% of the time. Technically, I would have, if I traded this would have been my take profit right here, this -2.5, because it matches with that swing low, and that's like such a perfect swing low. I might have also targeted these lows right here. Kind of matches up with that -4. So this could have been a trade right here. You could have entered off of that retracement right there. What time is this? Yeah, so this is like after market open too. So kind of clean trade. This is again, this is kind of in hindsight, so I don't want to like brag that I would have caught these, but I think I would have caught these, right? This would have been a trade in itself. Partial right there at this negative 2.5. Partial at this negative 1 you could have taken, right? Stops to break even, and you know the drill. Yeah, so this kind of occurs a lot in the markets. Right here, we've just been really volatile, so I wouldn't like trade. I wouldn't like 100% trust the standard deviation there. But yeah. All right, wait. Let me just see how I'm doing on time. Oh, 5 minutes. All right, so this is pretty much what it is. I can't really go further into this, but this is literally what it is.
Yo, I actually like the noodles.
All right, so basically, oh shoot, okay, I'm good. So basically, I do have something crazy to show you guys. I have this free Discord community that you guys could join. It's yo, what the fuck is happening in chat, bro? We have no mods, but basically, it's like okay, it's kind of the weekend right now, so we're not really talking about trading. But usually when it's like trading time, let me just scroll up to see if we could find anything trading related. Holy smokes! One sec. Okay, wait, chill, wait. Okay, yeah, boom. This is like during the trading times. What the fuck, man? Holy, wait. Okay, yeah. So yeah, there is some trading content that happens in the server. It's a really nice community, right? There's a lot of stuff that we talk about. I have a lot of free content right here. This is a good starting guide. I have a bunch of sauce right here, trading sauce, a bunch of courses, and a bunch of videos that you guys could like watch and like learn from. Yeah, it's literally like I wish I had this when I first started training. I genuinely wish I had this when I first started training. Also, you guys mess with the cut, like fade up. I'm trying to grow goatee. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be tough. I'm gonna be tough. Bagging the bitches. But yeah, that's all it is for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.